Hi, I have an unboxing today, and I just did the unboxing and the camera messed up, so I've already unboxed the baby, but I will present him again and we can discuss some of the things that I discussed before. So last week on Instagram, someone had posted this cute little like TikTok thing with a little baby in it, and I was like, that is so cute, and I clicked it and it brought the link to who was selling it. I clicked the link and the link took me to the doll, and I was like, oh, is that all how much he is? And so I bought him, and all within like, I don't know, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So he was very much an impulse buy. I didn't know, after I bought him later, I didn't have buyer's remorse, but I was kind of like, oh, I can't believe I did that. Because I'm just really, I love dolls. I like to buy little dolls, buy dolls at the store, the smart dolls as I've been showing and stuff, but I haven't really been wanting to buy any new reborns, and this is kind of a reborn doll, but I just thought he was so cute, and so I got him, and we'll just show you who he is. So he came from Paradise Galleries, and it was much better the first time, but so he came from Paradise Galleries. I've never owned one of their dolls. I do have quite a few of Ashton Drakes that I bought years and years ago. Before I started buying reborns, I had Ashton Drake dolls, and I don't know what to do with them anymore. I have like the whole Emily collection, if anybody knows about Ashton Drake, and a bunch of the others. A bunch of the vinyl has gone bad on some of them. Some of the full body vinyl, their heads have popped off and stuff. But I loved those dolls back when I was buying them, and I think they're very well made. And so I just never bought from anybody else. So I do have a couple from, I can't remember who it is right now. I don't think it's Paradise Galleries. I think it's the other place. And their dolls weren't as nice as Ashton Drake, so we'll see how this one adds up to Ashton Drake. But I feel like, well, I already saw him. He's just as nice. So anyway, so this is who I bought, and his name is Noah. So Paradise Galleries Noah, and he's their little Down syndrome boy. I guess I should have went and got a comb since the camera went out the last time, because I was wishing I had a comb. So this is how he came. He was packaged very nicely. He came in this box, and this was it. And it opens up and he's inside. But he was tied down, and his limbs were wrapped really nicely. All the way up. All the way up. He has 3/4 arms, and he has this cute hat, and he has this nicely rooted hair. There's like no bald spots or anything. I need to comb it. This is his cute face. He has eyebrows. His lips are painted. He has brown eyes, applied lashes. He has tipped fingernails, but his fingers aren't just, just like smooth like baby doll fingers. They have like lines like a real baby. So I'm impressed with that. His little feet also are tipped, the nails. There's a little bit of blushing on the bottom of his feet. His skin is not like mottled a lot or at all, but I didn't expect it to be. But he has like a little blushing on his cheeks, and his lips are colored. I think there's even like some blushing on his forehead, like along his hands and stuff. I mean, he's not just a vinyl doll, he does have blushing. Let's look at his certificate. So this is his certificate of authenticity, NOAA certificate of authenticity, number 256, which I didn't know that he was going to be numbered, so that's fun. He's a handcrafted edition from Paradise Galleries. NOAA is the work of Lauren Faith James and bears the artist's signature of approval. So that's a really nice thing to come with him. I took his clothes all off last time. These overalls that he came in are really cute. They have puppy dogs on his shirt and a puppy dog face on his overalls. His body is jointed. He is 3/4 limbs. He has a little bit of like beans in his bum, a little crease, a little gathered. But the 3/4 limbs just make it, and the joints make it so he can sit up really nicely. I'm not going to modify anything on him. I mean, I guess you could buy him and put him on a reborn body and weight him and such, but I'm not. That is not why I bought him. I just bought him to be who he is and how he came. I'm not going to be interested in changing anything about him. I don't even know if I will change his clothes. I think I will just leave him in this. Usually I would be more worried about the blue staining the vinyl, but I don't know if I'm gonna be that worried with him. I mean, when he came, he was wrapped, the tissue paper went all the way up to his cloth body, which was really good. So there could be no staining before you get him. He has these little blue and white socks, blue and white striped socks. Kind of has a sort of a grayish. Put this sock back on. His shirt has Velcro most of the way down, 3/4 of the way down, so it's easy to take off. He's numbered on his head, and the artist's name is also on the vinyl. I don't want to take his shirt off. Like I said, he's 3/4 limbs. His arms also have a joint. They're a little stiff, but I imagine if you were to work them a lot that they would loosen up. His little hands have cute expression. Look at that. His little thumb fits in his mouth and goes up on his face. Let's see if we can do it. Isn't that cute? So I just think that he is a very good option for somebody that is wanting a new reborn but can't afford one right now, or just wanting a reborn and they can't afford one. That he is very cute and very fun. So Paradise Galleries makes good babies for that sort of thing. Or if you're just a dog collector, or you have a child or a grandchild that's interested in just a cute baby, or interested in reborns, but you don't know if you want to pay that much, and he's authentic. So yeah, this is the little hat. I just sold a reborn that was not much more than him, so there are reborns out there that are pretty cheap if you keep your eyes open. But I feel like this is a really good option, and I didn't buy him because he was cheap. I just bought him because he was really cute. Or inexpensive. I shouldn't say he's cheap. He's not cheap. He's inexpensive, but that's coming from someone who's bought reborns for, you know, a few $100s before. So he's just a good option, and he's fun and he's cute. And I've actually seen a lot of ads lately of different Paradise Gallery babies that have caught my eye. There's like a little chunky one, and I mean, there's just a lot of options for just baby doll lovers out there. Even Behringer. I have a few Behringer babies. I have one that's bigger than him, that's body's got a lot of weight into it, and he's weighted really good, and he's really cute. But yeah, enough about them. This is about Noah, the cutest little boy that just came to live here. So he's fun. Oh, and he has a smell. His vinyl has like a baby scent, and I really like that. But if you don't like that, it's not super overpowering though. But it's cute that he sucks his thumb. Actually didn't even realize that before. I just realized it now. So that's the new guy. And what's fun is that if you like this Noah, you can go to Paradise Galleries and order you a Noah, and he's gonna look just the same. So that's kind of fun too. So, little cute boy, and kind of a little surprise, but it's kind of fun to still get new little things like this. And we don't have any reborns in the near future. I mean, yes, he was a surprise, but I do have a smart doll coming. I might do a box opening. I haven't had a box opening for all of them, so I thought it'd be kind of fun to have one for this one that's coming. So if you're interested in that, if not, whatever, that's fine too, because the babies are cute. They're fun to see. So I hope you all have a beautiful day, and we'll just see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. We love you guys. Bye.